Hi everybody, this is Lovable here and we're doing an unboxing today of a Fingerlings Sloth. So we'll do the shout outs first. They go to Jack Phelan, Starlight the Furby and WWE and Furby, and they do the Furby. Lots of Furbies there. So yeah, the Fingerlings Sloth. I chose the sloth because I think baby sloths are the cutest ever. Instead of the monkey. There is quite a few Fingerlings in Tesco, which is what prompted me to get one for myself. And I thought I'd do a little unboxing of it as well. This one was a Walmart exclusive. Her name is Marge and she is the purple sloth. They also come in brown as well. So it's just got a few things in various different languages written around the box. Baby sloth, 40 plus sounds. It says the batteries are included. It says that her name is Marge. And lovable wearable pets, it says down there. Swing them, pet them, rock them to sleep. Slow and steady wins your heart. And they are done by Wowee, the same people who brought us Chip and Roboraptor as well. So, the fun interactions friend us all. Apparently 2 or more of them will interact together, so I've heard. I react to touch, motion and sounds as well. So the packaging is just the simple sort of vacuum packed packaging, so it's easy enough to get open. Just slip your fingers in here and you can take it off the back like that. So this part lifts off here. This is cardboard. I don't know if there's any instructions inside. Ah yes, they've hidden them in the base, as a lot of toy companies do. And this will probably be all of the, if I can get them out, all of the things to do with batteries and stuff like that. I'm just going to tear this cardboard. They're pretty well wedged in there. There we go. We've got all of this. So this is probably going to be battery information there. Only it's in German. Luckily I do speak a bit of German, but we'll go with English for this. That's German again. I think there's lots of different... yeah, there's lots of different individual ones. I'll just find the English one. Oh, here we go. Right, we've got the English one here. So you've got lots of these in all different languages, which tells you how to play with your sloth. And it tells you about how to install the batteries there. It looks like it takes 4 watch batteries. Little button cells, things that Tamagotchis and stuff take. So, there she is, and she's inside this sort of vacuum packed plastic. Take her out without breaking her. How on earth do people get these out of here? Ah, here we go. It just so happens that while I'm trying to pull her out, she has a little tag thing there wrapped around her neck. So just get scissors and cut that. So that's pretty much the only thing holding her in. Now she comes out much more easily. So here she is. Looks like her head turns. She's got a little tuft of fur on her head. She has been airbrushed. You can see there in various shades of purple. She has a tail. Do sloths have tails? I didn't think sloths had tails. I'm a bit confused now. I was sure that sloths didn't actually have tails. She's got a little leaf on her bum there. And let's turn her on. There we go. And you put her on your finger like this. So, she reacted totally. Her eyes blink as well, you can see. Light sensitive maybe? Nope. Okay, let's have a look at the instructions anyway. Blow air kisses to your fingerlings. They will kiss you back. Clap once or twice. Watch it play around. How can you clap when the fingerling is on your finger? You only have one hand. Tap your fingerling's head for fun reactions. Hang your fingerlings upside down. Oh, it's singing now. Pet your fingerling's head. Your fingerling will show you love. Press and hold both sensors for a silly surprise. And cradle for sleepy reactions. So let's try. Try petting the head. So you can tap the head. And you can also pet both sides. Like that. Press and hold both sensors for 2 seconds. Where are the sensors? Are they there? Probably not getting my fingers in the right place. There we go. Nothing much is happening. It's also really difficult to do this around the camera. Still nothing is happening. Oh well, let's turn her upside down and see what that does. Anything? Nothing? Oh, her eyes have closed. Maybe she's asleep. Cradle her on her back. Oh, there we go. I've got the head sensors now. Oh. That was the silly surprise. She farted. So if I blow on her. Ah, there we go. She blew me a kiss. Clap once or twice. I'm going to try clapping with one hand. Oh, I see. So if you clap twice, she'll sing a song, and if you clap once, she makes a noise. So there's quite a few things you can do with her. I would say this will probably keep people entertained for quite a while. There we go. She does have quite a few different phrases and things that she says, and she's also very cute as well. They're not that expensive, fingerlings, so they're kind of like a cute little toy to play with, I don't know, when you're a bit bored and, you know, maybe while you're just hanging around, or even at the office or something if you want to, if you're an adult and you want to take it to work with you. Yeah, it's a very cute little creature. And now it won't stop singing. So, yeah, that's the Fingerlings Sloth. I'm guessing the monkey is similar. Probably makes the same noises, maybe. So, there you go. And she's gone to sleep. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, don't forget, if you want to see some more unboxing videos, to click the boxes that come up underneath right now. And I'll see you next time. This is Silverwolf signing off.